Hi everyone, this is Gleeza, made with Glee. In this video, I'm participating in the Fall Farmhouse DIY collaboration being hosted by Heidi, Sonboul, and Holly from Living It Country. Now, I had create this basket liner for my upcycle rope basket that I made out of cardboard. And out of the 4 corners, I ended up having 4 pieces of scrap fabric left over. So I decided to put that to use by making little tubes. Basically, I sewed along the long side and one side on the bottom to create a tube shaped sack. I then took some polyfill, which you can find in most craft stores, and stuffed it. Now you can use lentils or rice or crushed walnut shells or sawdust if you have, to make your bags more sturdy and give them the ability to stand up a lot better than just the polyfill. But I live in South Florida and I am terrified of bugs and just because of our heat and humidity, so I stuck with just using the polyfill inside. But like I said, you can use whatever you have in hand to stuff your little pillow sacks. I then took simple needle and thread, gathered where I wanted my tied off part to be, and just did a couple running stitches, and then I wrapped the thread around the part that I gathered and then secured that completely with a few more stitches. So that's your little pillow, and of course I made 4 of them because I had the 4 corners left from the basket. So the same process, just sew along 2 sides to make your tubes and fill them exactly the same way until you have 4 pillows. Now you'll notice my pillows are now not all exactly the same just because of the way I sewed my project and what was left over, but I am not trying to cut new fabric. I am just using what I had left over. So once I had my 4 pillows made, I then took these tags that you can get from Walmart or Joann's, Michael's. I don't know where I had that in stash for a really long time, those little chipboard tags. And I cut out some letters and the word fall with some craft paper cardstock. And I'm using some Aleene's glue just to secure my letters onto my little tags. I then also got those white pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. They have the little clips on the back. They come 3 in a pack, so I had to get 2 packs for this. And a pack of the fall leaves, but I only picked out the gold color ones that I wanted to use. You can certainly use the more orangey and red, completely up to you to match your decor and the look you're going for, but I decided to go with the more what is this called, iridescent, the shiny gold leaves instead. So create your little tags, and I just used twine, again found from the Dollar Tree, to attach them onto the top of my bags. Cute, isn't it? So this is very changeable. If you wanted to, you can use your same little bags in around Christmas time just by changing out the tags and maybe adding some pine picks or berries, and maybe change the word to joy or whatever you wanted it to be. Now I have this feed and seed sign that I picked up on clearance from Hobby Lobby for like $1.75 or some ridiculously low price. And it is a wall hanging, but I decided to use it as a tray. And here I'm taking raffia. It comes 3 in a pack from Dollar Tree. I took the entire pack and just opened it up and covered the bottom of the sign because, like I said, I'm making this a tray instead of a wall hanging, and I didn't really want to see the feed and seed on the bottom. I then put my little pillows inside, and then I'm using the velvet pumpkins from the Dollar Tree to decorate. Now I started playing with them. I had different colors, but I ended up settling with the look of the tan and ivory pumpkins. I then took the sign from the Dollar Tree because I love that glittery pumpkin part, took out the little red truck section and used some foam mount tape on the back of it to secure it to the back of my tray. I then also made a bow, a little funky bow using Dollar Tree ribbon, and tied that to the top. And this is my fall farmhouse DIY. It's very changeable and customizable. You can make it to match any decor and also any season. So thank you Heidi, Sonboul, and Holly from Living in Country for this fun collaboration. I hope you guys like my idea. I will be leaving a link to both ladies' channels and to the full playlist in the description box below. Thank you for watching, liking, and I do hope you subscribe to see what else I'm up to, and hit the notification bell because I do make videos every week. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye!